We are going to Abel Tasman National Park.
Abel Tasman National Park.
Yeah.
How are we going to be getting about there?
We're going to be kayaking first for half the day, and then we're going to be trekking all the way back to the start.
Awesome. Done a bit of kayaking. You've not done kayaking before? And the Abel Tasman National Park is going to be awesome. It's just a short drive out from Nelson. Should be a good day. Especially with my good friends Lisa and Paul. Flown all the way from Australia just to see me.
Get me to my beaches, all your friends, you wanna come along. Get me to my beaches, beaches. Get me to my beaches, all your friends, you wanna come along. To my beaches, beaches. Get me to my beaches, all your friends, you wanna come along. All the girls are good, good. Get me to my beaches. All the girls are good, good, good when you swim.
We've just landed on Fisherman Island, which is a few k's away from where we started. We lost Paul and Lisa. They've raced on ahead, both being a bit sick. So we just stopped for a bit, just to ease off the seasickness and have something to eat. We'll try and meet up with them later, maybe at Observation Beach. I'm really hungry. The only food we've got is this from last night. We haven't got a fork. Use my hands to eat it. Bon appetit.
You really gotta see what you're doing to me.
So we managed to find Paul and Lisa. Kayaked over to Apple Tree Bay. And have something to eat and have a bit of relax and all that kind of thing. Island. We're just going to wait here for a bit and then meet them later at Observation Beach.
Memories insane, so we can piece it all together. No experience, no elder. Through the woods singing, none of what we know. Get back out to the shore.
After an epic couple of hours kayaking, we finally arrived here at Anchorage. ready to start a walk back to the car park to Abel Tasman. How was the kayak, guys?
Amazing.
Oh.
Seals were the highlight.
Ah, yeah.
All the way into Anchorage nearly killed me, but it was amazing at the same time.
And cool.
Wish we could kayak back. I really enjoyed every second of it.
Thoroughly enjoyed it.
And you?
Very nice.
Very nice as well.
Good experience.
That's the way to put it.
Yeah.
Good experience. Glad I did it, I suppose, but I did almost die on the way here.
But
Glad.
not today.
Not today, exactly. Oh, dry land. Feels good. So, the walk's a bit longer than we thought it would be. Just 4 hours back. Huh? More than I thought it would be, sorry. There's an incredible sound as you walk through the forest. I think I found what's making the noise just on this tree. A bit longer than I anticipated, but it's a beautiful walk. Not the best weather for it, but still incredible scenery, good company. But now we are starving, so probably going to stop off for some